Now, dear students of class HSC, during the COVID pandemic, I would like to deliver lecture on HSC English class, English second paper, grammar. I would like to discuss about right form of verbs. Question number 5. This is Muhammad Abdul Salam, Assistant Professor, Tebutto Degree College. How are you, students? I hope you are all well in these critical moments. In my previous class, I will show you how you can put correct form of verbs as per directed and context. You know there are many rules of correcting verbs. Now, we try to solve a question given in the exam paper. Read the text and fill in the gaps with correct form of verbs as per subject and context. We see the context. Trees contribute a lot to maintain ecological balance. A month-long tree fair, number A, begin within the bracket in Kurigram Stadium recently. 8, number B, organized within the bracket by the local administration and the Department of Social Forestation. The fair, number C, inaugurated within the bracket yesterday by the DC of Kurigram. It was also addressed by other speakers who, number D, within the bracket, emphasize the need for planting more trees. The chief guest in his speech, number E, put within the bracket importance on planting trees so that we, number F, save our environment from other effects of eliminate change and natural disasters. A huge procession number G, parade within the bracket the streets of the town after the inaugural. Various government and non-government organizations, number is within the bracket, set up stalls displaying saplings of different varieties. Cultural functions, number I, arrange within the bracket every night. Number J, inspire within the bracket people to plant trees. You have to fill up the gap with correct form of verbs as per subject and context. Now we try to give the answer sincerely. trees contribute a lot to maintain ecological balance. A month-long tree fair begin here uh, begin has begun in Kurigram Stadium recently. Here you notice the word recently. You know, recently, presently, never, ever, yet is the word. You notice, if you notice these words in a sentence, the sentence must be in present perfect form. It was number B. It was organized by number B. It was organized by the local administration and the Department of Social Forestation. Number C. The fair was inaugurated by. So you see the word yesterday. The fair was inaugurated yesterday by the DC of Kurigram. It was also addressed by the other speakers. Number D, who emphasized first form of the word, emphasized the need for planting more trees. The chief guest in his speech, number E, put, put importance on planting trees so that could save, we could save our environment from other effects of climate change and natural disasters. A huge procession, number G, paraded the streets of the town after the inaugural. Various government and non-government organizations said, here you notice two words, said and previously a word, put, set up stalls displaying saplings of different varieties. Cultural functions were arranged. Every night, inspiring people to plant trees. Dear students, I hope all of you understand the context. Stay in touch with me. If you feel any problem, there seems to be no problem, and this is all for this class. Thank you. Observe my next class.